Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to Math 30-1, Chapter 3, Section 4, Combined Transformations, Part 3, getting into the NAST examples. So, numerical response... Your poopy head. Come on. Numerical response 2. Use the following information to answer the next question. The graph of y equals f of x is transformed into the graph of g of x plus 2 equals 3 of f of x minus 1, close bracket. Domain and range in each function is shown below. Graph of f of x, graph of g of x. So for the graph of g of x, the values of a, b, c, and d are, respectively. Now, here we have to be careful because, well, this one I was nice and put square brackets. But if I put round brackets on them, it looks an awful lot like coordinates x and y. It's not. This is x1 and x2. So, when you do this, g of x equals 3 f of x minus 1 minus 2. A is 3, b is 1, c is 1, d is minus 2. So when you're doing this calculation, notice the domain, there's both x values. So many people will go, oh, wait a minute. That two numbers like that must be an x and a y. No. So x goes to x over b plus c. So in this instance, you're adding 1 to them. So this would be 0 over 1 plus 1, or 1 is a. 2 over 1 plus 1 is 2 plus 1, or 3. The other coordinate would be 3. Okay? That's a sneaky bit. So many people think, oh, that must be x and y. No. So y goes to ay plus d. In this case, 3 times 1 minus 2, 3 minus 2, which is 1. Okay. I brought that in the wrong spot. Come on, you can do it. So y goes to ay plus d. Now the other y value is 4. So 3 times 4, minus 2. That's 12 minus 2, or 10. Now, that's not a good numerical response question because you're supposed to be a 1-digit value for d. But I'm more showing you the wording and the style. Yes, I should go back and fix it one of these years. I will. Not today, obviously. Now, speaking of wording and confusion, the next numerical response question, the function y equals, use the following information to answer the next question. The function y equals f of x becomes y equals minus 1/4 f bracket x plus 5 close bracket minus 3. So, vertical stretch 4 1/4 minus 1/4 minus 4. Reflection across x or y axis, and translations left or right. Now, what's the trick here? Well, here, a is minus 1/4. That's our value, but vertical stretch is 1/4. We have two terms here, vertical stretch and the minus, which is a reflection across. Now this goes minus to minus y, so this is across x-axis. So the vertical stretch is 1/4, the reflection across the x-axis. Okay? So that's the big trick. The other trick here, this is x minus minus 5. So which way are we going? We're going left 5 and down 3. Because, c is minus 5 and d is minus 3. So we're going left 5 and down 3. So the correct answer for this is 259. Careful of the wording. And I warned you about that. It's a vertical stretch of 1/4 and a reflection. So your a value is, your vertical stretch is 1/4. All right. Now, moving on to the nasty one. The graph of y equals g of x is the image of the graph y equals f of x after a combination of transformations. Corresponding points are labeled. What is an equation of the image graph in terms of the function f, or f of x? So this is f of x here. And this is g of x here. So what do we do to f of x to make it g of x? So right off the bat, this goes x goes to x over b plus c, and y equals ay plus d. So we need to figure out a, b, c, d. Oh, sorry, getting ahead of myself. If you look at your formula sheet, they give you the nice formula y equals af b x minus c plus d. My apologies. Right on the formula sheet is the red one. So we got to figure out a, b, c, d from this graph. Now, that's fairly easy to do if you look at the graph carefully. Now, first thing I'm going to point out, you start at 0, 0. Now the vertex, oh sorry, I should say the vertex. The vertex here is at minus 3 and 3. So if x is 0, what happens when we divide 0 by b? It stays 0. So this is 0, come on, divided by b plus c equals our new x minus, you poopy head. Now what's 0 divided by b? Still 0. So c is minus 3. Okay? And we do the exact same thing with our y value. A times 0 plus d equals our new y value of 3. A times 0 is 0. So d, you poop, stop that. I want to go, I'm going to get this done. So d is 3. So whatever this equation is, it's 3 and x minus minus 3, so this will be x plus 3. All right? So we're halfway there. Now we got to figure out our vertical stretch A and our horizontal stretch B. So how do we do that? Well, we look at the other point given. P, which is minus 2, comma 2, and P prime, which is 5, 6, minus 7, comma, minus 5. All right? So, here we go. Our new x value, sorry, our original value is minus 2, divided by our b value, minus our c value, 3, equals our new x value, which is minus 7. Now stop for a second, let you look at that. Our old x value, minus 2, divided by b. We subtract 3 from that, our c value, gives us our new x minus 7. So this we should be able to solve. Add 3 to both sides, minus... Oh, you hoop. You were getting my last nerve. Stop it. Minus 2 over b. Add 3 to both sides. Equals minus 4. So b equals minus 2 over minus 4. Cross multiply, which is 1/2. Okay? So this is 1/2. And the only thing we haven't figured out is a. How do we figure out a? Well, we do the exact same thing. Our new y value, a times our original y value of 2. Oh, come on, stop that. Finding out the letter 2, it's not difficult. Last nerve, meet can of gasoline and matches. Now, There we go. That plus 3 equals our new y value, which is minus 5. So, solving this one, before I lose it, subtract 3 from both sides. 2a equals minus 2. A equals minus 2 over 2, which is minus 1. Oh, wait a minute. No, God, no. I'm getting old. Forgive me, ladies and gentlemen. Minus 5 minus 3 is minus 8. Minus 8 divided by 2 is minus 4. I hate this getting old. So there's my equation. Y equals minus 4, f bracket 1/2 bracket x plus 3 close bracket plus 3. I just figured out A, B, C, D. All right, so that's nasty. I'm going to pause, actually I'm going to stop the recording. I want you to look at that, go back and see if I made any more dumb math boo-boos. Then we're going to go on and do the last example question, all right? Good luck.